Good morning, and moving with the next question, that is simplified of chapter number 13, that is power and exponent, right? Very important chapter, and for that we have to remember the different laws that we have already learned. The first one, law of multiplication, that is a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to, now here you can see that the base are same base, multiplication at the power, same base, multiplication at the power, that is a raised to m plus n, a raised to m plus n. That is your first law, right? Your second law, that is law of division, a raised to m divided by a raised to n, right? This can be written as a raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to, there are three subdivision, ત્રણ સબ લો છે. પહેલું જો m ક્યાં છે ન્યુમરેટરમાં, if numerator is greater than denominator, division નો ફર્સ્ટ લો શું કહે છે, ન્યુમરેટર મોટું છે કોના કરતા, denominator કરતા, then subtraction must be carried out in numerator. Subtraction ક્યાં થશે, ન્યુમરેટર માં થશે, બરાબર. બીજી વાત, now denominator is greater, કોણ greater છે, denominator, that is n, denominator is greater, તો subtraction ક્યાં થશે, denominator માં, નીચે તો ઉપર શું આવશે 1 અને નીચે શું આવશે a raised to n minus m. યાદ રાખજો m minus n ની આવે, n minus n, કારણ કે n મોટો, મને ખબર છે કે bigger number minus smaller number જ થાય, right? And third one, if numerator and denominator both are same power, same base, જ્યાં મરજી આવે ત્યાં, તો એનો મીનિંગ શું થશે, a raised to m minus m. Why? Because n is nothing but m, બંને સેમ છે એટલે m બરાબર n મૂકો, n બરાબર m મૂકો, one and the same. So that is a raised to 0 and a raised to 0 is 1. સમજ પડે? એટલે મારી પાસે ડિવિઝન ના ત્રણ લો છે. એક વાત, ન્યુમરેટર મોટું તો બધું ન્યુમરેટર માં, ડિનોમિનેટર મોટું બધું ડિનોમિનેટર માં, બંને સેમ, જ્યાં કરવું હોય ત્યાં, બરાબર? કારણ કે એનો આન્સર શું આવવાનો, 1 જ આવવાનો. Then the third one, law of power of power, law of power of power. At that time what will we do, we will simply multiply the power. Power નું શું કરી દેવાનું છે, multiplication, right? Fourth one, law of product, law of product. Now you can see that these are different and something is common at the top. So common છે, power. Distribute the power, power ને distribute કરી દેવું, તો a raised to m multiplied by e raised to m, right? And the last law, law of quotient is equal to, જેવી રીતે પ્રોડક્ટ માં કર્યું તેવી રીતે quotient માં શું થશે, a raised to m upon b raised to m. So these are the 5 laws that we are going to use to simplify such examples, right? And we have to move from back side. જ્યારે simplification કરશું ત્યારે આપણે back to જવાનું, એટલે પહેલા જોવાનું કે કઈ મારી પાસે 5th નંબરનો લો છે, કોઈ તો એપ્લાય કરો, 4th નંબરનો લો છે, કોઈ તો એપ્લાય કરવાનો, right? And one more important thing, बोली गया यस कन्वर्ट composite into prime numbers. It is necessary. It is necessary. तो ज मारू काम आगे चल सकते नहीं तो नहीं. Are you getting? So these are the important points that you have to remember while solving power and exponent. So let's begin with the first one. First one, 3 raised to 2 whole raised to 4 divide by 3 raised to 8. If possible, here also skip one line. જેથી આ બધું merge નહીં થઈ જાય. બરાબર? If possible. નથી છોડવી, then depends on you. ચાલો. That is equal to. Now, we can't apply law of division directly because you can see that something is complex over there. So try to search that thing. So yes, what we can apply? We can apply the third law. Right? एक similar દેખાય છે third law. Right? Bracket છે, bracket ના ઉપર એક power છે. So we are going to apply law of power. And that is 3 raised to direct આવે તો well and good. Direct નહીં આવડે તો 2 multiply by 4 divide by 3 raised to 8 as it is. Got it? So that is equal to 3 raised to 2 fours are 8 divide by 3 raised to 8. Now you can see that numerator, denominator both are same. Both are same. So you can do subtraction wherever you want. પણ આપણે priority કાં આપેલી છે numerator માં. So that is 3 raised to 8 minus 8. What is 3 raised to 8 minus 8? 0. Anything raised to 0? 1. સમજ પડે છે? સિમ્પલ બનાવો એટલે સોલ્વ આઉટ થતું જશે. Second one, 7 raised to 2 whole raised to 3 divide by 7 raised to 1 whole raised to 3. Chalo. Again you can see the complex one. Which law will apply? Power of power. So that is equal to 7 raised to 2 multiply by 3 divide by 7 raised to 1 multiply by 3. That is equal to 7 raised to 2 3s are 6 divide by 7 raised to 1 3s are 3. Chalo. Same pace. Division is there. Subtraction. So which number? Subtraction of first law apply thase. So 7 raised to 6 minus 3. That is 7 raised to 3. No need to move forward. Evaluate કીધું હોય તો જ આપણે આગળ જશું. બરાબર? જેને મોસીકુ લઈ આવો. મોસીકુ લાવે. 2 raised to 20 divide by 2 raised to 15 multiply by 2 raised to 3. Chalo. So whenever we come across the bracket, the first thing solve the bracket. પહેલી વસ્તુ શું? Bracket solve કરવાની. So which kind of law we can apply inside the bracket? President, good morning. Which kind of law? So here you can see that division is there. Barabar. So we can apply this law. Now among these two, which one is greater? 2 raised to 20. Which numerator is greater? Right? So we can carry out subtraction as 2 raised to 20 minus 15. This is all about bracket. Multiply by 2 raised to 3. So that is equal to 2 raised to 20 minus 15. That is 5. Multiply by 2 raised to 3. Now here you can see that base are same, multiplication is there. Base same, multiply, add the power. Right? Add the power. 2 raised to 5 plus 3. That is 2 raised to. What is 5 plus 3? 8. Right? So this is the simple way to solve the simplified. समझ पड़ी? 5 मिनट. Now see next one. 3 raised to 7 upon 3 raised to 4 multiply by 3 raised to 3. જો જ્યારે બહુ બધા સેમ બેઝ દેખાયા કરે ને ત્યારે શું કરવાનું? પહેલા ધ્યાનથી કામ કરવાનું. First search the same base in numerator. Numerator માં સર્ચ કરો. છે કે numerator માં સેમ બેઝ વાળું દેખાય છે? નથી દેખાતું. તો એને કઈ છેડવાની જરૂર નથી. Now go with denominator. છે denominator માં સેમ બેઝ વાળું? Yes. એ બેની વચ્ચે કઈ સાઈન છે? મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન. તો પાવર નું શું થઈ જશે? એડિશન. So actually 3 raised to 7 upon 3 raised to 4 plus 3. સમજ પડે? રાઈટ. આવી રીતે જ કરવાનું બધા એક્ઝામ્પલ માં. પહેલા સેમ બેઝ શોધવાનું ચાલુ કરી દેવાનું. ન્યુમરેટર માં બે, ડિનોમિનેટર. ન્યુમરેટર નું ન્યુમરેટર સાથે, ડિનોમિનેટર નું ડિનોમિનેટર. કોઈ દિવસ ગુજવાળો પડશે નહીં. So that is equal to 3 raised to 7 upon 3 raised to 4 plus 3 7. Same base, same power. Cut out. Marks nahi apa. Right? 3 raised to 7 minus 7. That is equal to 3 raised to 0. That is 1. આ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ માં તમને કટઆઉટ ની પરમિશન નથી. So you can't cut that number. You have to simply apply the law. Be careful. ભલે તમે ટ્યુશન જતો એને ત્યાં કેન્સલ આઉટ કરાવેલું હશે, હું માર્ક્સ નહીં આપા કેન્સલ થયેલું હોય તો, બીકોઝ મેં નથી કરાવ્યું. કેમ? બીકોઝ ઇટ ઇઝ અગેન્સ્ટ ધ રૂલ. રૂલના અગેન્સ્ટ છે. 9 10 11 માં જેટલું કટ કરવું હોય જેટલું તમે કરી શકો. ગોટ ઇટ? Fifth one. 5 raised to 2 whole raised to 3 multiply by 5 raised to 4 bracket over divide by 5 raised to 7. So that is equal to, now solving the bracket first. The bracket ની અંદર બી રૂલ દેખાતો છે મને. So we will apply that rule. That is bracket 5 raised to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 raised to 4 divide by 5 raised to 7. That is equal to 5 raised to 6 multiply by 5 raised to 4 divide by 5 raised to 7. So that is equal to, same base, multiplication at the power. That is 6 plus 4 divide by 5 raised to 7. So that is equal to 5 raised to 10 divide by 5 raised to 7. That is equal to, same base, division, which one is greater? 5 raised to 10. 5 raised to 10. तो subtraction क्या करवाना बच्चों? Numerator. So 5 raised to 10 minus 7. That is 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3. Idea આવે છે? Yes. Idea આવે છે બધાને? Yes. 6 1 2 raised to 2 whole raised to 3 multiply by 3 raised to 6 multiply by 5 raised to 6. Now try to evaluate this one. So that is equal to, again solving bracket first. So inside the bracket 2 raised to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 raised to 6 multiply by 5 raised to 6. Here what we have applied? Law of power. So that is equal to, now I will open the bracket. 2 raised to 2 3s are 6 multiply by 3 raised to 6 multiply by 5 raised to 6. Now something is common. You can see in all the terms. What is common? Power. Power is common. જે રીતે distribute કરીએ એ રીતે remove भी કરી શકાય. સમજ પડે ને? by 3 multiplied by 5. And what is common? 6 raised to 6. Got it? So that is equal to 2 3s are 6 5s are 13 raised to 6. Got it? समझ पड़े કેવી રીતે સોલ્વ કરવાનું? Sir, can I leave it over here? Yes, you can. You can. Why? Because the question is simplified. But if it was evaluate, તો અમારે તો એક સ્ટેપ કરવાનું રહેશે. સમજ પડે છે શું કહું છું? સર મારે અહીંયા મૂકી દેવું છે, મુકાય. You can. બરાબર? It is not necessary કે તમારે મૂકી લખવાનું. Got it? चल next one, seventh one. 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 4 multiplied by 4 upon 3 multiplied by 32. Now here you can see that there is none of the base common. કોઈ base મને common દેખાતો નથી. Right? એટલે શું કરીએ આપણે અહીંયા સ્ટોપ કરી દેવાનું? ના. Right? Then move with this one. Convert composite into prime. So is there any composite number?
Yes.
So what are composite number?
A number which has
More than 2 factors, right? So can we see here numbers more than 2 factors? Yes. The 4.
and 32.
Right? 4 1 ના ટેબલ માં ભી આવે, 2 ના ટેબલ માં ભી આવે, 4 ના ટેબલ માં ભી આવે. So બહુ બધા factors પડી ગયા. So try to convert that 4 into prime factors. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So this 4 can be written as 2 square. બરાબર? અમુક નંબરો તમારે યાદ રાખી દેવાના. ચાલો. Is there anyone? Yes. 32. So 2 16s are 2 8s are 2
4s are
2
2s are
and 2.
1s are
So this 32 can be written as 1 2 3 4 5. 2 is repeating how many times?
5.
So 2 raised to 5. Got it? चलो replace कर दिए. So that is equal to 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 4 multiplied by this 4 can be written as 2 raised to 2 upon 3. When is there? Power 30. So raised to 1 multiplied by 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5. चलो થઈ ગયું? આવી ગયું પહેલા જેવું? चलो is there something common in numerator? Yes. One base is common. And which sign is there? So add the power. So 2 raised to 3 plus 2. બરાબર? Multiply by પેલો 3 raised to 4 એટલો જ કોઈ નથી. Upon 3 raised to 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 5. બરાબર? જઈએ આગળ. So that is equal to 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 4 upon 3 raised to 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 5. चलो. Is there common in numerator?
No.
In denominator?
No.
Upside down?
Yes.
What is common?
Base.
This is common. So first one, 2 raised to 5. See, division is there. -5. Okay na? Right there. Base same છે, division છે, તો power નો subtraction. Similarly, 3 is also common. Which one is bigger?
3 raised to 4.
Numerator is bigger. તો subtraction ક્યાં થશે બધું?
Numerator.
-1. So that is 2 raised to
0.
multiply by
3 raised to 3.
2 raised to 0 3 raised to 3 3 3s are 9 3s are and 27 ones are this is your final answer समझ पड़े છે શું કહ્યું છે ને શું નહીં રાઈટ 81 2 raised to 55 multiplied by 2 raised to 60 minus સરાવ તો કસાયું નથી રાઈટ શોધી લેવો કે મસ્ત મજાનો રાઈટ ચેક કરશે લોમાં માઈનસ લોમાં 10 से माइनस નથી તો આ શું લાવીને મૂકી દીધું બરાબર so first of all I'm going to use bracket so use કરું છું bracket ચાલ is there any multiplication between two numbers yes so that number I'm going to put in bracket still there is multiplication right again same thing I'm going to put into the bracket now try to solve bracket so that is equal to base are same multiplication sign is there so we are going to add the power kita solve kare very good minus again something is same base so 2 raised to 180 so that is equal to 2 raised to 115 minus 2 raised to same quantity opposite sign so 1 minus 1 what do you find in myself what do you same base same power વચ્ચે કોણ છે માઈનસ છે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ આનો આન્સર આવ્યો 10 તો આનો બી 10 જ હોવાનો ને કેમ બંને સેમ જ છે એટલે સેમ નંબર ઓપોઝિટ સાઇન તો માઈનસ જ થઈ જવાનું તો 1 માઈનસ 1 નો આન્સર શું આવે 0 તો સેમ નંબર માઈનસ સેમ નંબર આન્સર વિલ બી 0 રાઈટ ને દેખા તો ભયંકર હતો પછી એકદમ લવલી